dance? Wow, it seems that the crowd's favorite pastime is dancing. Well, today, I'm going to introduce to you a dance that I will guarantee you will love it. It is because it will make you more fit, more active than ever before. Okay, let's get started. The dance that I'm going to discuss is called Tinikling. Pronounced as T as in green tea, Nick as in Nick in snake, and Ling as in Ling in slingshot. Tinikling. Let us say it together. Tinikling. Great. First, I will discuss to you the brief history of the Tinikling dance. Then, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the dance. Tinikling is the most popular and most ever-known Philippine dances and is honored as the Philippine national dance. Tinikling got its name from the bird called tikling. This dance imitates the movement of the bird as they walk across grass stems, run over tree branches, or dodge bamboo traps set by rice farmers. Dancers imitate the legendary grace and speed by skillfully maneuvering between two large bamboo poles. Tinikling is called bamboo dance in English. Tinikling is originated in Leyte in the Visayan Island. People of Leyte describe the tickling birds as the most unique in its movement, walking through terrain. People got creative when they imitate the bird using two bamboo poles